Now we will experiment on the effects of the force in the sides of the object. The materials needed for this are modeling clay, soap, eggshell, sponge, and styrofoam. Modeling clay. When you hammer it, it will be squashed. Next is the sponge. When you hammer it or punch it, it will return to its original shape. Next is the soap. When you drop the soap, it will be dented. When you hammer the soap, it will be like this. Next is the eggshell. When you drop it will break into pieces. When you hammer it, it will be the same. Last is styrofoam. When you hammer it strong, it will break like this. We learned today that when force is applied to an object, the physical appearance of the object may change like size and shape.